Hey YouTube, it's Vega, and I've gotten a bajillion zillion requests on how I made my teeth for my Kirishima cosplay. So, we're gonna just super quickly go over that. For these teeth, I used a malleable plastic called Instamorph. It can be found on Amazon for about $25 a bag, or 3 of the smaller packages should be enough. You're also gonna need a fork to make sharper edges, and then a spoon to scoop out the plastic from the hot water. The water needs to be boiling, and you might have to replace it a few times to make sure it's still hot enough to melt the plastic. Last up is a nail file. This is going to be a key point in making those teeth look really sharp. Okay, so first up you're going to add about 2 really large scoops of the plastic beadlets to your hot water, and then you're going to wait until they're fully clear. You can always remove some later on if you've put in too much. You're then going to take out this plastic lump and mold it into a long, narrow rectangle that can fit over your teeth. For this tutorial, I'm just going to be making the bottom teeth, and I'll use the top teeth that I already made as a guide. Once you've got it in there, you're going to start molding the plastic to your teeth and forcing any extra plastic upwards, which will later be made into the sharp teeth. You can see now that the plastic's gotten really cloudy and solidified, so you have to take it out and warm it up again so you can keep on shaking it. Once you've got a good amount of plastic to work with, you can start using your fork to form the tips. This is going to make your life so much easier. You're then just going to repeat this cycle of warming up the plastic and then forming it with the fork until you're satisfied with the general shape of your teeth. Remember that you want to try and align the sharp points to the other pair so that they will fit nicely together when you close your mouth. Yeah, not gonna lie, this took a while. So just take your time, be patient, get some tunes going. So you can see here that I'm basically done the bottom pair. They fit together nicely with the top, but they're not yet super sharp, and that's where we're gonna go next. Once you've given it some time to completely solidify, you're then going to grab your nail file and just sharpen the points. If you thought the last part took a long time, then, well, sorry, but I think this took me like a good hour and a half, hence why I did not film the whole thing and went to watch Game of Thrones instead. One good tip though is to add little crevices down the surface so that the teeth look a little bit more natural. But I promise it does work. You'll start seeing results pretty soon. Just make sure that your nail file is super sharp and keep going at it until you're happy with the final product.